In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the follow-up schedule in Streak CRM. If you manage your sales or support directly from Gmail with Streak, your follow-ups are tracked as tasks, and keeping those dates accurate is key to staying organized. We'll keep this simple and focused, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to reschedule in just a few clicks. Start by opening Gmail with Streak enabled. On the right-hand side of your inbox, you'll see the Streak sidebar. If it's collapsed, hover or click to expand it. From there, click Upcoming. This view brings together all your upcoming tasks across pipelines and emails so you can see what's due today, what's coming up later this week, and anything that's overdue. Think of it as your agenda for follow-ups. If you have a long list, scan by due date or use the search at the top to quickly find the task tied to a specific contact or box. The goal here is simply to get your task in view before changing its schedule. Once you're in the upcoming view, find the task you want to reschedule. Click on the task to open its details. In the task panel, you'll see an option to change the due date. Click the due date and a date picker will appear. Choose the new date that matches your follow-up plan. If a time option is available, set a time that aligns with when you actually want to be reminded, or when your contact is most likely to respond. Keep an eye on your time zone settings so you don't accidentally push a morning reminder into the evening. After selecting the new date, the task will update. In most cases, Streak saves changes automatically, so you can close the panel once you've made your selection. You'll notice the task moves to the appropriate spot in the upcoming list based on the new due date. That's your confirmation that the schedule has changed. If you need to adjust it again, just repeat the same click and change process. A quick tip: choose dates that reflect realistic next steps rather than arbitrary delays. For example, if you promise to follow up in 2 business days, pick that exact date so your pipeline stays accurate and your reminders remain meaningful. That's all there is to it. Open the upcoming view, select the task, and change the due date. Keeping your follow-up schedule up to date helps you prioritize the right conversations at the right time. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Streak.